So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And now you want to scroll down till you find microphone. Click on this. Make sure you have microphone access turned on. And you want to make sure you have let apps access to your microphone also turned on. And if you see the application that you want to use it for right here, you want to make sure you have that turned on for it as well. And you also want to scroll down again, and you want to turn on let desktop apps access your microphone. Turn this on as well. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the recording tab. Then you want to find your microphone. You want to double click on it. And then you want to go to levels. Make sure that it's not being muted. And then you want to turn the sound up. And then click on OK. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. Then you want to find your microphone. You want to right click on it. And then click on update driver. And then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your microphone comes with a software like my one does, then you want to go to your software and then go to your microphone. Click on settings. Make sure that your microphone is fully updated for the software itself. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in find and fix problems with recording sound. Click on it and then click on next. Wait for this to load. Hopefully that fixed your problem. If not, you just want to simply restart your computer and then hopefully your problem will now be fixed.